Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever find yourself staring into the crystal ball, wondering what the future holds for your favorite exchanges? Especially one of the OGs, the titan of trading, the Kraken itself, Kraken. I mean, let's be honest, in the whirlwind world of digital assets, staying ahead of the curve is paramount. You need to know where your platform is heading, what new features are on the horizon, and how it all impacts your trading strategy. So, instead of a boring "Hi everyone, welcome back," let's dive straight into the burning question on everyone's mind: what exactly does Kraken have brewing in its secret lair for 2025? What's their roadmap looking like, and how will it shape your crypto experience? Now, before we unleash the potential Kraken roadmap for 2025, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Kraken has been a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency exchange landscape for over a decade. Founded in 2011, it's weathered numerous market cycles, regulatory shifts, and technological advancements. They've built a reputation for security, reliability, and a wide selection of trading pairs. Think back to the early days of Bitcoin. Kraken was there. Remember the DeFi boom? Kraken was right in the thick of it. This history gives us a crucial foundation for understanding their future trajectory. They're not a fly-by-night operation, they're a seasoned player with a long-term vision. But the crypto world never stands still, does it? New exchanges emerge, technologies evolve at lightning speed, and user expectations are constantly rising. So, for Kraken to maintain its position as a leading global exchange, innovation and adaptation are not just options, they're necessities. That's why understanding their roadmap for 2025 is so vital. It gives us a glimpse into their strategy for staying competitive, enhancing user experience, and navigating the ever-changing regulatory landscape. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. While Kraken hasn't dropped a fully detailed, publicly available roadmap for 2025, and let's be real, most exchanges play their cards somewhat close to their chest, we can piece together potential developments and strategic priorities based on their recent announcements, industry trends, and their historical focus. Think of this as our crypto detective work, connecting the dots to paint a likely picture of what Kraken might have in store. One area we can almost certainly expect continued focus on is regulatory compliance and expansion. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving globally, with different jurisdictions adopting varying approaches. For a major player like Kraken, navigating this complexity is paramount. We've seen Kraken actively pursue licenses and registrations in various regions. Expect this trend to continue in 2025. This might involve expanding their services to new countries or obtaining specific licenses to offer new products within existing markets. Why is this important for you? It means a more secure and regulated trading environment, potentially leading to wider adoption and increased trust in the platform. 1. www.cmointern.com www.cmointern.com. Another key area likely to see significant development is enhanced trading features and user experience. In the competitive exchange market, providing a seamless and powerful trading platform is crucial. Kraken has consistently iterated on its user interface and trading tools. For 2025, we might anticipate further refinements to the trading engine for faster execution, more advanced order types, and improved charting capabilities. Think about features like conditional orders becoming even more sophisticated or the integration of more advanced analytics directly within the platform. They might also focus on making the platform more intuitive for both beginners and experienced traders, potentially with customizable dashboards and streamlined navigation. Security enhancements will undoubtedly remain a top priority. Kraken has a strong track record when it comes to security, and in an industry constantly under threat from cyber attacks, maintaining this reputation is non-negotiable. We can anticipate continued investment in cutting-edge security protocols, multi-factor authentication methods, and robust monitoring systems. This might involve the adoption of new cryptographic techniques or the implementation of even more stringent withdrawal processes. For you, this translates to greater peace of mind knowing your funds are protected by industry-leading security measures. The integration of new and innovative financial products and services is another strong possibility for Kraken's 2025 roadmap. We've seen the rise of DeFi, NFTs, and other novel crypto applications. Kraken has cautiously ventured into some of these areas. In 2025, we might see a more significant push into these spaces. This could involve offering more DeFi staking and yield farming opportunities directly on the platform, providing support for a wider range of NFT marketplaces, or even launching their own curated NFT platform, or exploring innovative lending and borrowing services. This would open up new avenues for users to engage with the broader crypto ecosystem within the familiar Kraken environment. Mobile experience is increasingly crucial in today's on-the-go world. While Kraken already has a mobile app, we can expect further improvements and feature parity with the desktop platform in 2025. This could mean a more comprehensive suite of trading tools available on mobile, enhanced charting on smaller screens, and a more seamless experience for managing your portfolio on the move. Imagine being able to execute complex trades and analyze market trends with the same power and flexibility on your phone as you do on your computer. Customer support and education are often overlooked but are vital for user satisfaction and adoption. Kraken has generally been praised for its customer support. Looking ahead to 2025, we might see further investment in expanding their support team, offering more localized support options, and enhancing their educational resources. This could include more interactive tutorials, comprehensive guides to new features, and proactive communication about platform updates and security best practices. A well-supported and informed user base is crucial for the long-term success of any exchange. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into some specific areas based on current trends and Kraken's past moves. Institutional adoption. Kraken has been actively targeting institutional investors. We can expect this focus to intensify in 2025. This might involve offering more sophisticated trading tools and APIs tailored to institutional needs, enhanced custody solutions, and dedicated account management services. The increasing interest from institutions is a significant driver of growth in the crypto market, and Kraken is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Sustainability and green initiatives. Environmental concerns are becoming increasingly important in the crypto space. While Kraken hasn't been as vocal as some other platforms on green initiatives, we might see them explore ways to reduce their environmental impact or support more eco-friendly blockchain projects in 2025. This could involve partnering with carbon offsetting programs or promoting the trading of more sustainable cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.